up, Roto Nerfers? Today will be our first reviewing of the Nerf rival Nemisis. Yo, this gun holds up 100 balls. Now I know this might not be 100 balls right now, but it could load up to 100 guns. Now, the battery goes on the back. You unscrew this right here and it comes out. I recommend using the Nerf rival rechargeable battery. It goes right up here. There's a safety. You flip it up to rev it up and fire, and you click down to safety.
Yep.
Now,
and we'll get to firing it right now. World Nerf, I will be shooting first. I'm just going to run back here, all the way back here, and show you just how far.
this is how we load the Nemisis. So you flip this latch up, you just pour the balls in, then you flip it back up, you flip it up, the safety up to rev it. Now and you just press the trigger to fire, and once all of these balls are out of the barrel and fired, if you have, like, I know Nerf sells a lot of these in refill packs. If you have them on the ground right here, you can just pick it up, you flip this up, you just slide it in like you're loading a P90. For those who have airsoft guns, it's just like you're loading a P90. Then you just flip it up, and you're ready to start firing.
Oh, shoot!
If you like this video, then leave a like and subscribe.
And make sure to comment and tell us what you think. And also, what should we do for our 20 subscriber special? We haven't done that yet. So, thanks for watching this vid. And this is the world of Nerf. And bye!
I am the king of the hill.